Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about Momentous Creatine. You should buy this creatine or not. Does this brand really good or really this brand creatine really you can like give you results or not? And what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order of this creatine? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about like creatine usage, so basically, as you know, creatine is a very good supplement related to your strength. And if you want to gain strength in your fitness activity, then creatine is really helpful. And if you are doing any kind of powerlifting, or if you are you can like playing any kind of sport, then creatine is also very important for you. So if you also do gym and all, then the creatine is also very important. Okay, so basically the creatine use is very important. Okay, and if we talk about like this brand, this Momentous brand is very popular, like approx you can see this brand is like very popular brand. Okay, but if we talk about like the things, what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order on their official website? Because on their official website there is a subscription option. Like if you want to buy product only for one time, then you should not take any kind of subscription. Because when you take subscription, if you want product, if you want product or not, then you have to pay some fees in the form of subscription. They will auto delivery, auto refill the creatine supplement supply. Okay, so the thing, yes, you can definitely buy this product on amazon.com. This is a really amazing brand, and it will really give you lots of benefits related to lean muscle, related to your brain, related to your muscle recovery. And men and women, anyone can take this supplement. Okay, and if we talk about correct dose, the correct dose of this supplement is only 5 gram per day. You can take creatine and you can get lots of benefits. And if we talk about like result timing, we can say like approx 10 to 15 days. After 10 to 15 days, when you consistently take this supplement, you will see you can like changes in your body. And after 30 days, after 4 weeks, you will see lots of change in your body, like your strength is really amazing and your powerlifting is also really amazing. Okay, so this is the information. And when you do it, when you do muscles building and all, then you will see lots of change, lots of size gain in your muscle also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.